Hello everyone, my name is Itamar and welcome to Electronic Stuff. In today's video we're going to learn how to set up NodeMCU microcontroller with Arduino IDE, so stay tuned. Now the first project is to blink this LED, okay, with NodeMCUs. So I've got this breadboard and a 200 ohm resistor. I'm going to go ahead and pick two wires, two cables for wiring, okay. So I'm going to place the microcontroller on this side of the breadboard like that, and I pick this 200 ohm resistor and I bend the legs to get inside of the this hole. So the positive side of of my LED goes to one of the legs of the transistor, okay, the positive side. Now the positive side of the LED goes to pin 4, okay, of the microcontroller through my 200 ohm resistor. Now the next step is to attach the negative side of the LED to ground, like so. So far so good. Now I'm going to use a Samsung cable, Android, okay, Android cable. We need that to upload the program to our microcontroller. So our build is set up, okay. So now to use NodeMCU we need to do that, okay. On Arduino IDE, go to preferences and paste copy this link and paste it on additional boards, okay. So click OK, then click OK, and go to tools, boards, click on boards manager, okay. Now type ESP8266, okay, and install the board, okay. So okay, we wait, okay, it's downloading the board. Okay, now we can see the board, okay, of SP, okay, SP. Okay, go to file, examples, basics, and blink, okay, because we're going to switch on and off an LED using NodeMCU. Now at this stage I create a variable called LED. The pin is D4, and I replace LED built-in with a variable created, okay. Now I choose my board in the port, okay, that I'll be using, and I upload the code, okay. So once we upload the code, you're gonna see the LED flashing, okay. So flashing, okay. I think we're almost done. Okay, now you can see the LED is blinking. Okay, that's great. Thank you so much, and see you.